In the past, it was considered one of the foods that are most harmful to human health. It was associated in the popular consciousness with causing cardiovascular diseases, obesity and a group of other diseases, but today it is considered one of the healthy foods that contain a huge range of benefits provided that they are consumed in moderation and within specific amounts. The most prominent of its benefits is thus: osteoporosis. Preventing the presence of various minerals in butter is another benefit. Calcium and other minerals such as copper, zinc, selenium and manganese are found in butter. These minerals are vital elements in building and maintaining bone strength and help repair and grow bones. Premature aging and osteoporosis may be due to insufficient intake of these minerals. Prevention of thyroid disorders. The thyroid gland is a major endocrine gland. People with thyroid disorders have low levels of vitamin A. Butter provides enough vitamin A to the body, and eating it in the right amount helps reduce thyroid problems. Heart health. If butter is processed naturally and consumed in moderation, it is a heart-healthy food. Butterfat forms high-density cholesterol, which is considered good cholesterol. The omega-3 fatty acids in butter reduce the level of omega-6 fatty acids and thus reduce the risk of heart disease. Butter is rich in fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin K2, which has a strong effect on the health of the body, as it reduces the incidence of cardiovascular disease, many cancers, osteoporosis and others. Butter improves mitochondrial function and reduces blood triglycerides and insulin as well, in addition to being considered an anti-inflammatory and has many protective effects on the digestive system. They contain important vitamins such as vitamin E, an important vitamin for maintaining the integrity of hair, skin and nails. Linoleic acid, CLA, has been found in significant levels of butter and has been linked in studies as a way to prevent cancer, according to published health reports. Reduced bowel upset. One of the benefits of butter among the many ingredients of butter, contains glycosphingolipids, as this special type of fatty acid can protect your body from a number of intestinal problems. Eye protection. Beta-carotene, found in these high levels of butter, has long been known as a health booster. It contributes to the protection of the eyes, as well as to stimulate additional cellular growth, inhibit the onset of cataracts, and reduce the chances of macular degeneration. Many fat-soluble vitamins can be found in butter, and studies have shown that those fats can improve sexual performance. Prevention of arthritis. Butter contains a rare hormone-like substance that can only be found in butter and cream. Called Wilson agent, it protects people from joint calcification, which leads to arthritis. Improve bone health. Apart from the anti-stiffness factor described above, butter is rich in essential minerals, such as manganese, zinc, copper, and selenium. Some of these minerals, such as selenium and manganese, also have other functions, and selenium is an integral part of the immune system and thyroid functions, while manganese is essential for blood production. As if all these benefits are not good enough, butter confers what is called activator X. They are stimulating vitamins found in animals with specific diets, such as pasture cows. For more information, see description.